Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to blog in Clubhouse. I wonder why you want to know how to blog in Clubhouse. Maybe because you have seen an account that is producing a lot of unmanaged content, so you just want to block them. Or maybe there's somebody who's harassing them or maybe irritating you, so you just want to block that account. Or maybe you think there's an account that is producing false information, so you just want to block it. Or there could be any other reason for you to block any account in Clubhouse. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can block an account in Clubhouse. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Clubhouse app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Clubhouse app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. You could see different options at the top and bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen, there are different rooms that you could join and listen to the conversation and can have a part of it. Other than that, we have this explore section where you could explore different stuff like people, room, and houses. So after that, we have this third option. With the help of this, you can explore different houses and can be a part of it. So now if you want to blog somebody, what you have to do is that you have to get to their profile. And if you want to get to their profile, you can come here, can join any room, and if you see that person profile picture, you can open it and their profile will open and you could block it. Otherwise, you can go to the explore section, and if you know the exact name and username of that person, then on the search bar you can search for it, and once you get results, from the results you just have to simply tap onto the name of that person and their profile will open. Once their profile will open, you will be easily able to block them. So here I have searched for a name and the results have come out, and from the result I will choose this profile that I want to block. Therefore I just simply tap onto that one and it will just take a while, and after that the profile will load it. Once you see this, you will also notice three dots at the top right side of the screen. You just have to simply click onto these three dots and there you will see these options. So here we have this mirror option which says block. Once you tap on it, it will again ask you, are you really want to block it? So therefore click on block and that profile will get blocked by you. Here you can see it indicated you at the top, and also you see this option which says blocked. So that's how you can block the account that you want to block. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can block in Clubhouse. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.